Okay, there's a very quick update email video for you guys to help with SeeSaw. We're going to solve a few problems so that it runs smoothly for the parents. First thing we're going to do is up in the top right hand corner where the wrench is, you're going to click on that wrench, open up the settings, and we're going to go down to Manage Teachers. Now where the Manage Teachers are, there's a list I'm going to put up on the screen right here on the right hand side of who you're supposed to add as a teacher. So in this situation I'm going to add Bobby. I'm going to pretend I'm a Year 6 teacher, so I'm going to add Bobby. So I've got Bobby's email address in there, and I'm going to say Invite Teachers. Now if you've already invited me, then it may come up with a message saying, do you want to add a 60-day trial? You click yes, you do want to add the 60-day trial. There's no issue with that. We want to do the 60-day trial until we purchase the actual software. So click yes, you want to add the 60-day trial, and that way you will have invited an extra teacher that's going to go into this list, and you'll be able to have 5 teachers in here. Now you'll be told which 5 teachers are supposed to be there. At this stage it should be you as a classroom teacher, me as someone to help you and provide support, and whichever one from the list on the right hand side here to say which team you're in. So that way you're going to be able to have extra teachers in there and share ideas and support each other. That's the first solution that we need to fix. Second one is, when we go up here to your class, I want you to click on your class, I want you to go down to the bottom left hand corner, and I want you to select your school. I want you to click Find School and just type in Amity and Amity International School, and you should find the school. And the school comes up, and then you just click choose, and you're going to be part of that school. That's all you need to do, so that you're now part of the team, and all of a sudden you'll see that we have a lot more than 8 staff, and we're all linked into the same school. That's the next thing. Now the next one is a little bit more difficult. You need to have had a test student, had the student do some work and made a mistake on their work, and then you're going to come back in as a teacher and you're going to review that mistake. So I'll go over that again. You log out as a teacher, you log in as a student. You do a piece of work and you make a mistake on that piece of work. Then you log out as the student, you log back in as yourself as the teacher, and you want to review that piece of work. So I've done one already. I've gone through and I've pretended my name is Dusty, the student. I've gone back and I've done this first activity, and it's got 3 plus 1 plus 1, which should be 5. However, Dusty's written a 7 in there, so we want to actually go and send this back to the student. When I click send back, it's going to come up and say you cannot send this back without having the extended version of the program. I want you to click yes, try the 60-day version of the program, so that way that we have full access to all the areas of the program for the next 60 days until we purchase it for the school. So they're the 3 things. Number 1, I want you to add the teachers so that it asks, do you want to do the 60-day program? You say yes. Then you're going to go down and do the Amity International School, and then number 3 is you're going to correct a piece of students' work and try and send it back to them, and it should come up and say ask the 60-day trial period. Now if you do one of them for here, you may not get the 60-day trial coming up the second time. Okay, that's it. If you've got any more questions, please send them back to me.